Okay. Let's slide it out here.
What do you think's in there?
Some.
Got any guesses? You're not old enough to understand what that little trademark means.
So it's right here.
Yeah. If you could, you might be very excited. You're doing a good job there. I'm making a movie of it.
I think this will be a movie of only opening your presents.
We might be able to just open up the box now.
What do you think's in there?
What is it?
Any guesses?
Something.
Can you guess?
Let's see. Oh, boy, we almost know.
What is it?
Look, you can play train.
Yeah, it's a Lego train.
Can I get it?
Can we get it? Is that what it said?
Uh-huh. Well, let's open the rest of your presents before we open it up.